This is my RTR from Ronster Rides. Straight out the box, this bike is already dialed. But what if it could be better? I've got the homie Kai here, and today we're turning this RTR from stock into my own personalized build. We're throwing on new plastics, a headlight kit, riser bars, a new rear brake for wheelies, and a custom seat cover. Let's start with the seat. I ordered it from Thrill Seekers just to try something new. It even came with a full sticker sheet for some reason, but bro, look at this thing. The white stitching, the Hex logo, come on, it's so clean. Now these are what I'm most stoked on, the Magura MT5s. From what Ronster told me, these are the best rear brakes for the money, quad pistons, insane stopping power, and they just feel solid. I liked them so much that I grabbed a set from my Talaria too. Next up, riser bars. They make wheelies easier, they're way more comfortable, and the riding position just feels overall way more natural. Now for the most important part of the build, the plastics. There were 10 colors to choose from, I went with black. I know it sounds a little boring, but trust, with the gold forks, I think I'm gonna rock the white number plate though. Electro & Co. even packaged the headlight kit with the plastics, which made everything a lot easier. Once everything was out of the box, I could already see the vision, so it was time to tear into the bike. Khi and I started pulling off the white plastics and removing the stock bars to make room for the new headlight. Locked in, cracked a Red Bull, got right to work.
Thug life, bitch, I'm Pac without the stomach tats. Bitch, I'm Tupac without the nose ring.
We unplugged and removed the battery to install the new rear brake. I pulled off the parts holding the brake line, rotated it out one of the panels, and somehow managed to finesse the rear caliper through the frame without touching the forks or opening the brake, which honestly felt like such a win. Old brake off, new Magura on, boom, done. I mounted the stock front brake onto the riser bars, tightened everything up, and we were good to go.
Can't take no more. Out of town with a zipper, yeah. Bro, this ain't no blow.
Next, headlight kit. I mounted the display to the bracket first, then I ran the on-off switch cable through the bike. That didn't go how I planned, so I popped off a small plastic panel, which made my life way easier. Once everything was in place, I cleaned up the wiring as much as possible. After that, I mounted the headlight, ran the cable, and cleaned it all up. Then came the 12-volt converter. It plugs straight into the battery, which gives you multiple power ports, perfect for a headlight now and stuff like underglow later. Now the converter's mounted to the bracket. Now I'm just plugging everything where it goes, A to A, B to B, C to C. You get the deal. Now, I zip tied all the cords down, cut the excess for a clean fit and finish, and we're so close to being done I can taste it. Moment of truth, final test. And just like that, we got light. We pretty much got everything done today except for the seat cover. There's a small rattle from the rear brake bracket, so tomorrow I'm taking it to Conergy for a semi-professional once-over, and then we're gonna go check out abandoned tunnels and highways in rural Pennsylvania. So we got a long day ahead of us tomorrow, treating ourselves with some Chinese for all the hard work today, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow. It's the next day. We got James from Colorado and Chaz, a cold draft beer's worst nightmare. In the bed, we got the Talaria, the E-Ride, and the RTR. Ronster Rides keychains in hand, and my ankle brace, keeping my broken ankle all in one piece. The doctor told me I shouldn't be riding at all, but that's unrealistic. If you saw last video, we were in Miami, and I could not resist wheeling. I was testing my luck, boot on, no socks, I looped it pretty hard. Somehow, no serious injuries, so today we're taking it very easy. We're on the road now, but there's one stop we have to make first.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using mobile today?
No.
What can I get for you?
2 sausage egg McGriddles, 2 sausage egg McMuffins, 3 hash browns.
Can I get 2 bacon, egg, and cheese McGriddles?
Anything else?
We'll do 1 medium orange juice, 1 medium coffee, and 2 medium coffees actually.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
The total will be $43.14 at the post window, please.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're balling at McDonald's, bro.
Bro, that was $45. $45.
Yo, what's the town called?
Breezewood.
Breezewood.
Easy like breeze. McGiddle.
Gotta have an orgasm. It's like a sweet.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Incredible. Incredible. So the real question, was it worth $45?
Absolutely.
We'll see y'all at Connor G's.
I'm really glad I stopped to have Connor look over the bike. He threw a couple spacers between the wheel and the brake mount and got everything sitting perfectly flush. Huge shout out to Connor. He's always been there whenever I've needed help. We rolled out to Breezewood, and within minutes of arriving, we found a local drunk pissing on private property in broad daylight.
Hey!
No pissing!
Hey! Yeah, you! Yo, fuck you!
You hear me? You speaking Spanish, son?
Breezewood is an internet meme, the same small town you see everywhere in America. Today, we make it ours.
Yeah, here in Breezewood, Pennsylvania, you have one McDonald's with 2 arches.
Yo, I heard they're opening up a Ronster Rides right over there.
You only tried the Komodo in store in Breezewood.
God, and this light is hitting the bike so good right now. Chaz, why you gonna walk all up in the shot? Just to fuck my bike, bro. Stop fucking my
I wish
bike.
I could say I was surprised.
So I found this lot lizard at Sheets to work on my bike.
Dude, for free, some free crystal.
Yeah, free Crystal. And his name is Crystal,
All right, dude,
actually.
you're dialed. Let's go. Let's ride.
Connor managed to fix my bike, thank God. Appreciate you, Connor. But we left the seat at his garage. So I have this beautiful outdoor pillow that I think would just be perfect. So we're gonna see how this goes.
Hopefully there's a good spot to take a piss with.
I'm not gonna lie, this is wildly comfortable.
Blends right into your camo pants. Back hose. He's wearing pants.
Why don't they make them like this stock? That's the real question. To be honest, I think I'm gonna throw the pillow in the truck.
Dude, I think it's probably more comfy than sitting on frame.
Yeah, I wonder how that feels.
This thing feels great, even though I'm like literally out here, no seat. It's actually pretty comfy. This is sick.
It's actually pretty dark in there.
It is. You can kind of see the top of the other side.
Yeah, Hayden, so did you know in 1968 they bypassed this? This was originally constructed for the turnpike, but then they did new construction. We'd be looking clean. Why don't you put the black number plate on?
I like the white. Chaz is also retarded, so everything scares him.
I'm not retarded.
This is the first time now that the Magura's on. Oh my God, it feels so good. I got my headlight kit. Bro, I'm pimping. If someone's ever like, what is Pennsylvania like? What we're doing right now, I think is the most PA core activity, you feel me?
I feel, dude, it's just cold. We're just missing some railroad.
Dude, it's cold, dead, miserable.
We're gonna go drink some beers and watch the birds. This must be where that street was.
What street?
The one that we were gonna go on.
That one reminded me of the street that leads to your mom's house.
That one?
Yeah, you know that street?
That street, yeah, we took it on the way when we were coming back from your mom's house.
Should we help him? I don't know if we should help him. Chaz looks like he's just taking a piss. Another tunnel. I think this is one of 3 or 4 tunnels that we're gonna be in. This might be the long one because I don't see any daylight or any light on the other end of the tunnel.
First one to make it through gets their first beer for free. Gets their first beer for free. Gets their first beer for free. It's gotta be the longest tunnel.
Dude, that was long as hell. Like double the light, triple the length of
Dude,
the other
I
one.
can't believe how clean the ground is. Like,
Yeah,
it's so
it's
smooth.
actually not bad. That shit was sick.
It was evident that you flew by everyone, because then everyone else we passed, they're like, thank you for coming on slow.
I know I slowed down. Every time I saw somebody, I'd slow down and hit it.
They're like, that other guy up there, he was an asshole.
Did they really?
Once I get the 6.7 controller.
The what?
The what?
6.7.
Can we swap for a minute? I have nothing against the other bikes, but I spent all that time trying to learn how to wheelie this bike, and now finally I know how to wheelie it.
Bro, this thing is clean.
Hella clean. It just needs a fucking seat, bro.
Yeah, it'd be mad comfy.
These two beautiful bikes.
It'd be complete with the seat.
You got the thick chain on yours?
Yeah.
Nice, just like your mom, right?
It's honestly still kind of loose, kind of like your mom.
Yeah.
Oh, right back. Man, you guys are squad deep out here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
They're all the same?
Yeah, they're all identical bikes.
Yeah?
How fast do those go?
These go like 55, 50, but you can upgrade them to go like damn near 70.
Oh,
Yeah.
if we had to, our squad versus their squad, all out brawl, we're taking them.
You know what Chaz would do? Chaz would fucking load all their bikes in their truck and drive it off, drive it home. Be like, I'll meet y'all there. Dude, we are out here. Like, look at this, bruh.
Where are we?
Dude, I know you're getting emotional, but it's... Can we swap again, James? I want to do a wheelie on this road. A cautious wheelie. Being so cautious with my ankle brace on, it still hurts so badly. I'm even doing PT 3 times a week, and it still hurts. Yo, what's this?
A little shack.
Is this where those e-bike dudes lived? Tutorial video, how to get shot in Pennsylvania. Yo, you didn't adjust anything, did you?
Nah.
It feels different for some reason. Maybe it's just like almost out of power. Oh, I just turned the regen down.
Oh, that's where it's...
Yeah, way better now.
He's a madman.
He could go in a straight line back and forth all day.
Let's get him an R1.
And you know he's had like 6 beers, right?
Get dark soon.
It's already, the birds play in 30 minutes anyways.
Well, the sun, that means the sun's gonna set in an hour.
Once it dips
Who the
behind
fuck
that
are you,
mountain-
Sacagawea? Ooh, what time is that? What time is it? What time is that? Like 3:45?
It's 4 o'clock on the dot.
3:43.
Fucking. It's 0 to 60 in 4 seconds. Okay.
This?
Oh yeah.
Nuh-uh.
It's
Yeah,
like
just when
5.
there's a real rider on it.
damn.
What are you listening to?
He's listening to a podcast.
Yeah, I'm listening to a finance pod.
Woo! That is like euphoria.
I almost wrecked it bad, bro.
Really?
Flying and I hit a bumper.
In this video, we rebuilt the RTR, had some Chinese food, explored some tunnels, but most importantly, got to ride with the homies. Every day is a blessing. Never forget that. I'll see you on the next video. Peace, X Fam.